If you feel stuck in patterns you know are not serving you, if you feel your body react before your brain catches up, or if you know that there are things from the past that aren't serving you in your present relationships, I have a therapy that might be just for you. Hi, my name is Stephanie Korpal. I am the owner of Marble Wellness, which is a multi-specialty group practice in St. Louis, Missouri. We have locations in Ballwin and in Lake St. Louis. Excuse me, it's my first time talking for the day, so I'm stumbling a little bit. But I'm here to talk to you guys today about EMDR therapy. You may have heard of it. It's all these letters. You don't know what it means. It does stand for eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, which is a very fancy way of really talking about really important work, which is basically that EMDR therapy uses interventions that stimulate both sides of your brain. So the non-layman's terms for it is bilateral stimulation. So both sides of your brain get stimulated through things like tapping or eye movements. You may see clips of people doing this, tapping like this, both like this. And basically, it's a way to stimulate your brain and body to take a memory, a significant event from your life that's basically stuck, bring it to the forefront and get it to reprocess so it's no longer something that interferes. Now, some people call it woo-woo. Some people might think it sounds really too weird, but I can tell you that it really does work. A lot of people who might otherwise be trying to use talk therapy or other more traditional interventions and aren't finding relief often do find that relief they're looking for within just a few sessions of EMDR. The other things I can tell you about EMDR therapy are that you are in control. It's not something where you are hypnotized and you aren't like fully in control of all of your functions. You are awake, you are conscious, and you are interacting very, very intentionally with your therapist. Also, your therapist doesn't just dive right into EMDR from the beginning. They get to know you, they help you build boundaries, they explain to you the tools and really give you a lot of guardrails before going into this type of intervention. You go at your own pace, and it can also be used in conjunction with talk therapy. So sometimes people will have their normal regular talk therapist and then do EMDR as a additional something. Or some people may have a therapist who does traditional talk therapy and EMDR therapy, and that therapist may suggest doing a few EMDR sessions and then go back to talk therapy. So there's a lot of ways to integrate it. Another thing I want to tell you is that EMDR therapy might not only be for adults. Some teens who need to talk through something, get that memory or event or emotion reprocessed, can also benefit from EMDR. So those are just a few really important things to let you know, especially like I said, lots of big words to help you understand what the letters mean, but it is a really cool intervention. It is really well evidenced, well researched, and I also want to let you know that it is not only for major traumatic events. People who have persistent anxiety, people who have just some things from childhood that they know are interfering with their present relationships, things at work, sleep, can benefit from EMDR and just getting that thing, even if it isn't a big traumatic event, getting that reprocessed can really be the turning point for you and being able to get to the present, have your brain and body work in conjunction with one another and help you feel like you are more in control when the world around you is out of control, which is often something that people come to us for as therapists. They just want to be able to feel more in control of their life and where they're headed. And if talk therapy isn't helping you get there, EMDR might be it. Feel free to poke around our website. We have a ton of blogs about it. We do have a whole service page that talks about EMDR, or reach out by phone and we'd be happy to explain more or even put you on a consult call with one of our two therapists who are able to provide EMDR interventions. But I hope this helps, and we hope to hear from you soon. Our website is www.marblewellness.com, or you can reach out to us by phone at 636-234-3052. Thanks. Talk to you soon.